Hi, today we will create unlimited wallpapers like this with just one object in Blender. It's a faster and better way than any other softwares because when you save your file, you can use it every time you need wallpapers and it's free. So stick with me into the end and let's make it. First, we select the light and the cube, right click, delete. Now go here and add in curve spirals, and we select spheric. Here you see a little window, open it, and here increase the number, I give it 20. And here the steps, increase the number to 100. To reduce, I make it, I give it 2.5 like this. Here, go here in object data properties, in geometry, we extrude it. Maybe I give it 0.2, and the depth, I give it a little depth. Maybe just like this. So I increase. I extruded 0.3. Now go here in object mode. Now right click, convert to mesh. Now go here in modifier properties, add modifier, and here in deform we select displace. Don't worry if you see it like this, just hit new and go here. And here in image or movie, I select Voronoi. Now here give it 1.6 like this, and I decrease the size to 0.2. Now go back here in modifier, and here I give it 1.6. You can play with this as you want. Free to you to use this as you want. Now here I go here in modifier, in deform I select simple deform. Here I give it 90 and I make it in Z axis. As you can see, it's not smooth, so I go here and add modifier. In generate, I select subdivision surface. I increase the number to 3 like this. Now I go here in world properties, in color, in environment texture. Here open your HDRI image in your computer and select any image you want. I select this one. Go here in render properties. Here switch to cycles. Active a GPU if you have one. Here decrease the number. I give it just 5 to be faster for the preview render, and here I give it 30, just 30. Active this, and here in light paths, left click, and select all this and give it 1. Disable this and this. Enable this and go here in color management. Here I select very high contrast. Okay. Now here when you see the plus up and go here and select shader editor. Hit N to close this window. Now hit 0 to activate the camera. Hit N, view, camera to view. And now we can choose any angle you want. Now select the camera and go here in properties of the camera and increase the number just like this. Here you can choose any angle you want. I select the object, hit new. Now I go here in viewport shading. Before this, first right click, shade smooth. As you can see, we have now a smooth object. Now I go here in add. In converter, I select color ramp. Connect color to base color like this. And here change it to constant. Right click, duplicate, and this one I connect it to the roughness like this. Okay, now I go here and add. In input we will use the ambient occlusion. I connect color here to factor and here to another. As you can see, before to continue, hit Ctrl S and save your project. I make it wallpapers like this. Now I decrease here the number. Here I make it metallic. I give it 0.5. Now if you want to make it just white and black like this, you can use it. I increase the number here just like this. Okay. Now select the black one and change it to any color you want. So I give it just a little blue like this. Now go here in camera, in depth of field. You can increase or decrease this, but I leave it just like this. Just enable the depth of field. Now I increase this blue color. I decrease the metallic, maybe just like this. You can play as you want with this. It's your and here you can play with the roughness. You can make it as you want. So I go back here in camera, the increase, a number like this. You can make the save area and go here in viewport display and select just the focal of the camera. Now you can change the color if you want. You can make it red. Maybe I leave it like this, red. And here, as you can see, if I increase the black color and I decrease the white color, as you can see, we have this shining. As you can see, you can play with the roughness, the colors, the form of this object to make many and many wallpapers for your project. So this tutorial is finished. I hope that you enjoy to make it with me. If you like it, give me a hands up. I tell you goodbye and see you in the next one.